Hey, today I'm going to show you how to hack Bloons Tower Defense 3. First, you want to open the internet or Google Chrome or whatever source of internet browsing you have. Open it, go to Google, or if you know what website it's on, type in Bloons Tower Defense 3. Click on it. Play now. No, I am not. Okay, I don't know what all this crap is about. But anyways. Okay, so once you got all this stuff, wait for the game to load. Sorry about all the crap. And when it's loaded, you want to select your map. Select any map, really. You can choose any map. I'm going to choose a hard one. You want to choose hard because this won't work on easy or medium. One of the hacks I'm going to show you won't work. So choose hard. Now you see this. First you want to open Cheat Engine 5.5. You need that. I will put the link to this in the description. Click this little glowing icon and go down to whatever source of internet you're on. Type in the amount of money you have, $650. Click first scan. All this crap's going to come up. You don't want to mess with that right now. And you want to spend some money. And then whatever it says now, that says 380. So you go back, type in 380. Click next scan. If you see the value, you can either double click it, or click it and click to drop down. And double click it and you can change to 999,999 and click OK. Freeze it and minimize it. If you buy something, your money goes up a lot. So now we're just gonna delete these because we do not need those when we got these. Set these here and click this plasma vision. So you can just buy like a ton of super monkeys and just have them own. You can really actually buy whatever you want. I'm just messing around right now because it's just fun to show all this stuff and everything. And then you pretty much you can buy everything. And hold on, let me play this around. And then you pretty much own. See what I mean? You're owning. Okay, now if you want to get infinite lives, you want to delete everything that you have on the field. And you want to start around, get some tacks ready, and only let one balloon pass. Oh, I failed epically there. But anyways, only let one balloon pass. Okay, now like I was saying before, only let one balloon pass. So like, once one comes out of here and passes, you only want to let one balloon pass, so you only lose one life. Like that. Okay, so then right here it says 50 lives. You want to go to Cheat Engine, type in 50, first you want to type in 50, click new scan, click first scan, and go back and type in 49 because that's the amount you have now. And there's still too many, so you want to go back and start a new round. Once again, you only want to let one pass here, so you lose some more lives. laziness, man. Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. I will make more hack videos. Just don't forget to subscribe. But anyways, now it says 48 up here. So go back into Cheat Engine. Now type in 48. Click next scan. And I failed epically this time. Hold on. Okay, let's try this again. It says lives 50, so you only want to lose one life. Wait, hold up. I keep messing up. Scratch all this. First, where it says 50, you want to go in to Cheat Engine and type in, click new scan after you do the money hack, type in 50, click first scan. All of this, you do not want any of that. So you want to go to this, click start round. Once again, you only want to let one balloon pass. Oh no. But anyways, just let one balloon pass. Okay, why do I keep doing this? Let me try this again. I keep on messing up. I keep failing epically. I suck at this game. Except for when I cheat, because I'm so good when I cheat. Anyways, once that, after you got the 50 in there, you don't want any of that, right? You want to go to, you want to see this, and you want to click, you want to go back into Cheat Engine and type in the amount of lives you have now, 49. Click next scan, all this will come up. So minimize it again. So now you only want another one to pass. So once you let one pass, block off all these. So then, once you've done that, it's going to say 48. That's what you want. So go back into Cheat Engine, type in 48 now. Click next scan. Next scan. And then only one should come up. If not, personal message me. So then type in, if you have 48, type in 5002. And just like you get it, like if you have 49, type in 5001. If you have 30, type in 5020. Okay, now click OK. Now freeze it over here in this frozen box. Freeze it, minimize it, and now you can just play. And once you lose one life, your life's gonna go up all the way. See? 5001. See? See how it keeps resetting? I'm good. But if you do too much money, it will lag out and shut your browser, so don't cheat too bad. Now, I'm going to show you how to get this. First you want to get a lot of super monkeys. Actually, you only need like one. That's actually all you need. Now you click start round. And then you just want to get one of these. And then you want to start a new round and just use this. No monkeys have to be there. And anyways, you unlock that and you can just use it. And I'll show you what it does here in a second. Pretty cheap, but you know, it's cool. You ready? Okay, thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe for more hacks.